everybody, this is Sushmita Madhu, and here I am again live to answer many of your questions related to job, career, and if you have any business ideas, then I'm here to help you out with your questions also. So if you have any questions, please type down your questions and I will answer them. Yes. Hi, Nagendra Kumar. Hi. Okay, few people commented on the post that I published in my community tab. So I will read out those questions and I will try to answer them. First question was asked to me from Ratchamalli Dorasri, and he's asking, Madam, I'm a fresher. Please help me to prepare a perfect resume and how to search job. I'm a BTech CSC graduate 2020 passed. Reply, madam. So a person called Dorasri, he is asking me that he is a CSC, he has completed his BTech in 2020 and he is looking to, he is searching for job, and he also needs help in resume building or creating a resume. Now for Dorasri, Ratchamalli Dorasri. Now for you, I have already created a video how to create a resume for fresher candidates. In that video, I have in the description of the video, I have mentioned one link. If you click that link, you will see three different resume formats. All the three resume formats is in downloadable format. I mean to say Word document. You can download those resumes and you can edit your name, your contact details, your education and your skill details, everything you can edit, save that resume and you can use that resume for your job searching purpose. So I have already created a video how to create a resume. I have given sample resumes also, so please check that video. You will get a clear idea. And the second thing, Dorasri, how to search for jobs. I have created so many videos how you can search for job in Naukri.com, Indeed.com. Yesterday I created a video on how you can search job on LinkedIn using LinkedIn social media platform. So there are so many good content that I have created. You can definitely watch those videos and you will get some idea how you can search for jobs. How to improve communication skills. Monica is asking me how to improve communication skills. Monica, there are many things that you can do to improve your communication skill. Start talking to strangers. This is my suggestion. Start talking to strangers directly. I'm not telling about talk to strangers on phone, but directly start speaking to people who you do not know. So what will happen is that shyness inside you, that will go away, that will fade away. So when you're attending an interview also, that this skill will help you to communicate with the HR or to communicate with the person who is interviewing you. So first thing is start speaking to strangers and have a normal conversation with strangers. So this will definitely help you or boost your communication skills. Okay, Nagendra Kumar, already మీకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను అండ్ యూట్యూబ్లో మీ వీడియోస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నాను. ఓకే నాగేంద్ర కుమార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ మై యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్. Okay, Chandre top 10 presentings. Hi, how are you? I hope all of you are doing good. All of you are staying at home and you're taking care of yourself and your family also. Okay, next question I will read out. I was also asked by a person. Okay, Monica, I think I have answered your question. Your question was how to improve communication skills. So I think I have answered clearly to you. Now the next question that was asked to me is from Ravi Teja Tota Ravi Teja. He is asking me, Madam, I will complete my diploma within 2 months. So my next step is BTech. It's better option or not? Please suggest me. Now Ravi Teja, you are doing your diploma, and within next 2 months you'll be completing your diploma also. Either BTech is a good option you are asking now. Definitely graduation, definitely BTech is a good option, I will say. Yeah, that will be a good option, I can say. Again, in BTech, which stream or which field you want to go, if you specify me that also, that will help me to answer more clearly. Now one more thing, people, I will also create another post, and after this live stream, after this live, I will again post a new post in my community tab. I will asking you that if you have any questions, put your question in the comment section of that post, so that in my next week Sunday live 4 o'clock live session, I will read out your questions and I will try to answer you. So you can put down your questions in the comment section of the new post that I will be posting within 1 or 2 hours from now. Many people comment me below the comment section in my videos. Lot of people ask me that, madam, please search, please help me with job search, madam, please, if you have any vacancy in your company or if you know any job search, if you know any job, please help me with job search, kind of thing. Lot of people are commenting me. See, asking for job is not a bad thing, but yes, technology is so much advanced these days. By using these technologies, for example, you can understand how you can search job using your mobile phone, using Google, using different job portals like Naukri, Indeed, Monster, Shine, and LinkedIn. All these platforms, you can watch videos and you will get some idea how you can search for jobs using these technology or these job portals also. Now all these job portals, whatever I have named right now, they all have their own mobile apps also. You install these mobile apps and you will be able to search jobs just like that. Use technology and you yourself can help yourself for searching jobs. Only thing is, consistently you have to search for job. It's not like one day I'm searching, the next day I'm not doing anything, I'm not checking my updates on Naukri, I'm not checking my updates on LinkedIn. You have to consistently, you have to check all the updates, you have to keep replying to the HRs, you have to keep applying for the job openings and all those stuff you have to do. So yes, using all these mobile apps, you will be able to find out jobs. And one more thing, I keep on telling in all my live streams also, getting a job in multinational company is not everything. I mean to say, there are so many large companies, medium sized companies, and startup or small companies also. You can start your career from these companies also. You can start a startup company, or you can join a small company also. You can start your career at least after 1 year or 2 years, then you can dream about, or then you can try for multinational companies. So only multinational companies is only career, and working in any other sector or any other company is not career. Please remove that thing from your mind. So that one suggestion I would definitely want to give to all my viewers or subscribers. And people, one more thing, I see in my Google Analytics that there are so many people who are only watching my videos, but they are not subscribing to my videos or subscribing to my channel. This one help you can do, you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell icon. This will definitely motivate me to create more and more videos. So I definitely see that lot of viewers, they have not subscribed to my channel. See, if you like my content, please subscribe also. So that is one request that I want to tell to all my viewers, or all the people who are watching my videos. Anybody else have any questions? Ask me here. After this live session, I will be live on Instagram also. If you people have an Instagram account, you can also follow me on Instagram. Just go to Instagram and search for Sushmita Madhu and you will find me there. Otherwise, I will also post the link of my Instagram handle in the description of this video. I think it is already there. You can check. Yeah, it is already there. Instagram link is in the description of this video. Click that link. You will be taken to the Shubham. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, Monica. So that is how we can connect on Instagram. So Instagram, yeah, I'm not very active, but yes, I keep on posting some stories, my personal life, and things like that. So yeah, any other questions? Please ask me. Job, career and startup businesses. Prasanna, good evening ma'am. I am BCom banking insurance student ma'am. How to know the placement procedure ma'am? Different groups will have different rounds ma'am. How can I know? Yeah, placement procedures. Prasanna, if I am not wrong, you are asking me what are the process of interview. Placement procedure means what are the different rounds of interview those are conducted from companies. If this is your question, please put a yes. Please put a yes in the comment section. Prasanna 802. Okay. Your question is how to know the placement procedure. Placement procedure. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Prasanna, your question is what are the different rounds of interview those are conducted by companies. Now you have to understand this. Different companies or every company will have different process or every company will have different levels of interview. For multinational companies, they may have 5 rounds or 6 rounds. For a medium size or smaller company, they may only have 2 or 3 rounds. So it totally depends from company to company. Many companies, multinational companies, they will also have a aptitude round in the very beginning aptitude round they will put. Written test they will put, or take some logical to analyze the logical behavior or logical thinking of the candidate. They will have some round at the very beginning only. So depending on company to company, the process or the rounds of interview will differ. What you can do from yourself, your side, is be prepared for everything. Be prepared for group discussion, be prepared for aptitude test, reasoning or all those written test, and be prepared for everything, so that whenever you go to any company, whatever rounds they're pushing on you or they have given you, you will be prepared for to face all those rounds of interview. So be prepared with everything: communication skills or aptitude test or reasoning test, written test, telephonic interview. Be prepared, group discussions, prepare with everything. So that will be my suggestion. How will we know what are the different rounds of interview? See, most of the companies, they will definitely have aptitude test. For a fresher candidate I'm talking about, they will have aptitude test, they will have group discussion, they will have some technical round also. Technical round, if you are going for development programming field, or if you are going for any technical related field, they will definitely have those kind of to understand how much in-depth knowledge you have. They will have some technical round. If you're going for BPO sector, or if you're going for a calling process, they will have a voice and accent round. So you have to be prepared with all these rounds. Group discussion, get prepared with a topic, how you like how to speak about a topic in front of 10 or 20 people. So get prepared with all those stuff. So on in that way you will be able to prepare. Do you like coffee? Nice. Shubham, to all the people, I speak very good Hindi also. I speak Hyderabadi Hindi also. I speak very fluent North Indian Hindi also. Yeah, ma'am, you like coffee? No, I don't like coffee, Shubham. Yeah. Now, yeah. So Prasanna, I think I have answered your question. Prasanna, okay. Any other question you have related to job, career, or startup business ideas? Let me know. Now, people, I want to ask all you people who are watching this video, don't you have this feeling to start your own business in future? If you feel that, yeah, I want to start a business maybe in future, then comment a yes in the comment section. Type down a yes in the comment section. Just want to understand how many people from my viewers group, they are planning to start their own business. Gopala Krishna, good evening, madam. I have YouTube channel, Lampton channel, monetized also. I want add upload option like your videos. It is mandatory to or for website. It is mandatory for website. You can explain. Okay, Gopala Krishna, congratulations. You have a very good monetized YouTube channel, AppTech channel, and your question is you want to get a upload button on your YouTube channel. Now, see, upload button is given to all the monetized channels. Like viewer can upload them, they can give some appreciation kind of thing. This upload button is only given to selected monetized channels, not to everybody. Randomly they have YouTube have picked some YouTube channels and they have given the upload button. Now if you do not see that upload option in your monetized studio, YouTube studio, then you can definitely contact YouTube support, technical support team, and you can ask them that you're not seeing this option and you want to get this option. So how to approach or how to contact this YouTube support? In your YouTube studio, on the right hand side top, you will see a chat option. Speak or contact this YouTube support team and they will definitely guide you how to get this upload button. So I think Gopal Krishna sir, I have answered your question. Okay, welcome. Pravalika. Okay, hi Pravalika. Hi everybody. So after this YouTube live, I will be live on Instagram also. You can also contact me, or we can also have a conversation there also. 10 more minutes on YouTube. Yes, okay. Thank you. Now want to understand how many of you want to start your own business in future, or you're happy with your job only. Yesterday evening, in fact, I created another video where I explained how you can search for jobs on LinkedIn. I feel, I guess all of you, whoever is watching this video, you already have a you already have a LinkedIn account. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, you must get it. You must create a LinkedIn account, complete your LinkedIn profile, make sure your LinkedIn profile is same details, it is showing the same details like your resume, and make sure your LinkedIn profile is also 100% complete. So yesterday's video I have shown, in fact I have shared my screen and I have shown what are the options, what are the things that you can use on LinkedIn, how you can search for jobs on LinkedIn. So if you have not watched that video, go back to my channel Sushmita Madhu, and you will find that link, that video in the very beginning of my all the videos details. Go there and you can check. So that is about yesterday's video. And yeah, next week also I will be creating some videos on how you can optimize your Monster account, Monster India, how you can use Monster properly so that you get good number of interview calls from Monster. And I will be also creating how you can use Shine is also a job portal. So very soon these topics will also be getting covered in my YouTube channel. Gopal Krishna, okay, website needed or not for upload button activation process? Already I saw your videos, madam. Okay, Gopal Krishna Garu, Gopal Krishna sir, for getting an upload button, website is not required. It is not at all required. Upload button is only given to some random YouTube channel owners, monetized YouTube channels, and this upload button is in beta stage. Beta stage means YouTube is still testing the functionalities of this upload button. They are still testing. That is the reason they have only given this option to few monetized channels. So if you want this option, then you definitely contact YouTube support. They will definitely help you or guide you how you can get this. So yes, that is about this video. If anybody else has a question, please let me know. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you, Gopal Krishna Garu. I wish you all the best with your channel also. Again once again, all the people who are watching this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, boss, you need to subscribe, because I see a lot of people only watching my videos and going, they are not subscribing, because YouTube is automatically showing them in their like recommended things. Your video super, ma'am. Thank you so much, Gopal Krishna Garu. Thank you very much. For people who watch the videos, not only mine but any other videos, see, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of efforts to create good content videos. It takes a lot of efforts and lot of time also. So yeah, if you can definitely show your appreciation by clicking the like button and subscribing to whoever's YouTube channel content you like. So that is all I want to request you, or I want to say. So I think I'm done with the all the question and answer thing. If anybody else have any question, I will be posting another update within 1 or 2 hours in my community tab. You can post your questions in the community tab, and in my next week's or next Sunday's video, I will try to answer your question. So that is all about this week's live session, and I will see you next week. And thank you very much. Namaste.